Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the rear sway bar bushings on this 2010 Honda Pilot. Okay, start by jacking off the car and taking off the wheel. This is your sway bar bushing right there. It's held down by two 14mm bolts right there. But first we need to disconnect it from the sway bar link right here. There's a 15mm nut right there, and the back you can hold it with 18mm. These are aftermarket, so I don't know what a stock one would be, okay? Okay, take off the bracket. And then take off the bushing. Okay. Alright guys, this is the old bushing. You can see there's a little bit of cracking going on here. And these are the new ones. And that's the part number, okay? So let's throw them on. I threw some silicone-based lubricant in here to make it easier to slip on and avoid noises. Make sure you use silicone base, otherwise it may deteriorate the rubber, okay? Okay, we gotta do the same thing on this side. All right, I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.